Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the coordinate display format in the IGO Navigation application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and click on the settings button. And then click on the regional button. And then click on the units and format button. And within this section, look for the coordinate display format button and just click on that. And as you can see, there are three options that you can choose from. So just click on the one that you want to use and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.